Hello guys, I wanted to try out something that I've been wanting for quite some time. I actually made a blog post about the after spa, not a cleaning glove but cleaning cloth, that you just wiped your makeup off with just plain water and it just took off everything, and I really loved those, but unfortunately you can't get those in Denmark. And I can't get them shipped here either, so I was really sad. But I ended up buying these. Oh, perfect. And we can see ourselves twice. Hello there. Well, it's a makeup remover glove, which is kind of hard to read, but it's there. And you just put it on your hand and clean your face. And there's 4 pieces in these, and I bought them in Normal. I don't know if that's a store that's actually available anywhere else, but that's where I bought them. And it says, well, it doesn't really say that much. It's all in Danish or Norwegian or Swedish, but it's produced in China. That's always good to know. It doesn't really have a brand, but it says in here that it's a makeup remover cloth. It just removes makeup with just the use of water. After use, you just rinse it and wash them by hand with soap. And after they have dried, it's ready for the next use. So if this one works as good as the after spa cloth that I really love, then this might actually be one of the best things I've ever tried. So I'll just go grab one, just rinse it, put on a bit of water, and we'll see how good it works. And I am back again with my glove here, just a regular wet glove. And I forgot to tell you that it actually comes in 4 different colors, and there's a black one, which I could have matched myself today, but I chose the white one instead, so we can actually see what's going on here. And we got a blue one, like a light baby blue, and a gray one. So I just put it under some water, and I think it's soaked like fairly well. It's like new towels, you know, when you actually have to run them through water before they actually grab anything. So that's just what I did, and it should hopefully be able to take something off. Let's see. Actually, I don't know if you can kind of tell. There's like a bit of color here, and well, I don't usually wear much at work, simply because I end up sweating a lot because I work at Jysk and we walk around all day long. So it's not really necessary for me to put on that much because it will just end up melting away on my face, so to speak. Normal makeup, it took fine. You can kind of see it there. Let's see if it works with my mascara. It actually did pretty well. I'm not wearing anything waterproof, but still it's like a bit of a hassle to actually get my eye makeup off anyways, because I feel like I have to drag all around everything to just get it off. But this is actually fairly easy. And the best thing I love about this is you don't have to use like extra products. You don't have to go buy a cleanser or a makeup remover. You don't have to use excessive wipes or anything like that. You just need plain old water and a glove. Yeah, it works pretty well, as you can see. Like that's my eyes right there. I must say that did quite a good job. I'll try seeing how it works if when it gets washed, and also I think I will try, not today, but later on here, The makeup for today, for example, perfect, everything's off. I didn't wear much, so it's quite an easy job. But we will try next time with some more eye makeup, maybe some waterproof mascara. See how that will actually work out in our favor, if it will work out in our favor. And yeah, you'll probably see me another day. Welcome back to another day, guys. Right now I have put on a full face of makeup. We did that quite some hours ago, and we will still be watching at how good this glove will do. And I actually washed it from the first time just to see how well it washes off, and there's still like a bit of pigment on here. I can see where I took some of my foundation off and some of my mascara. I don't know if you can see. It's like a bit of foundation and a bit of mascara over here. But it mainly did a good job. I thought there would be a lot more left of this makeup. But today we will take our face off, another face to take off, and I have tried to use as much as possible. We have foundation, we have powder, concealer, eyeshadow, lots of eyeshadow, glitter, foil, and waterproof mascara, and also our nice and bright lips. So I will go dampen this and we can just, well, take our makeup off. We have a wet glove now, so let's see what it does, and we will take the side that I have not used before so that we are sure it's completely clean. Let's see. For one swipe, that was actually really good. It took quite some, I think you can see here, so let's just keep on rubbing our face. Kind of incredible. It's actually really good at taking everything off. I did have both foundation and concealer and powder on, and actually there's not really anything left to be seen. Like, no more comes off at this point. So let's see what it does to our eye makeup, if it can do that in one swipe too. Well, yes, it took off almost all the glitter, and I do have a lot of mascara and eyeshadow on here, and lots of glitter is coming off. Still have a bit of glitter on my face actually, but that's really all that's left. I think that's when I took the eyeshadow off. I had this foil on, and it just when I took my face afterwards, it just kind of smeared out in my face. So I think if you take it off, of course, end with the eyeshadow, because if you do like me and you have a really potent glitter, you'll just end up having a really glittery face. Like, it's not bad. I think I could just wipe it off again if I just used a clean space on here. Much better. It is off, and it actually took everything with just water, which I think is kind of incredible. You can now see my pretty imperfect skin, and it's actually really good. I'm kind of surprised, because the first one I tried I thought was like incredible that it just took off everything, and I thought these were much cheaper, like under $5, I think it's like under $5 or something I bought them for, and it's actually really cheap, like for 4 pieces, and you can rewash them, use them again, and you don't have to use any makeup remover or anything. It actually took off the waterproof mascara, which I was a bit uncertain if it would do. So it's actually really incredible, and my beautiful glove now looks like this. So that's one face. So I could really recommend this to you guys. It's actually pretty awesome. and I will definitely keep on using it until they wear off, and then hopefully buy some new ones so that I can both save some cash but also save some time. And it's not always easy when you go taking your eye makeup off to actually take the mascara off without putting products in your eyes. I'm really bad at that. I usually just go with a cotton pad and some makeup remover, and because I have kind of sensitive skin, it kind of annoys my eyes if I get product at them. So it's much easier for me to just take this wet glove and use that instead. So I hope you guys will think about it. At least now you know what it's all about. And if you're interested, you can try them out too. It's actually pretty whoa. If I could talk, it is pretty cheap, and I will definitely keep on using them for a long time, at least until I find better. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a happy life, one day at a time.